Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify Airtable views for task management step by step clearly. Open your Airtable base where you manage your tasks. Navigate to the specific table that contains your task data. Locate the view drop-down menu at the top left of your table. Click on the drop-down to reveal available views. Select the view you want to verify. Take note of the view type, which can be grid, calendar, Kanban, or gallery. For a grid view, check that your columns are displaying the correct fields. Look for any filtering options that may be applied. Examine the sorting order to ensure tasks appear as expected. For calendar views, verify the date fields in your events. Check that the tasks are accurately reflected on the calendar. In Kanban views, confirm that the correct grouping options are set. Check card colors and labels for clarity and accuracy. Switch to Gallery view to see how tasks are visually represented. Ensure the correct fields are displayed as images or text. Review any shared views, if applicable, to check permissions. Test any interactive elements, like buttons or linked records. If using filters, confirm they function correctly by testing various inputs. Make adjustments as necessary by editing view settings. Finally, save any changes you've made to ensure the view reflects the latest updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.